Good morning, students. Let us today discuss about the relationship between loudness and amplitude. Students, we know that loudness depends on the amplitude, which means to say that with increase in the amplitude of the vibration, the loudness will also increase. But the question comes that how many times will the loudness increases with increase in the amplitude? Will it increase by the same number of times or not? For this we have a relationship between the loudness and the amplitude. And loudness is directly proportional to square of the amplitude. It means to say that loudness will not increase the same number of times as the amplitude increases, but amplitude will increase the square of the number of times of the amplitude increases. For example, if the amplitude increases by 2 times, then square of 2 will be 4 times. That means when the amplitude increases by 2 times, loudness increases by 4 times. Same way, when amplitude increases by 4 times, the loudness will increase by 4 4 just 16 times. So this is the relationship between loudness and amplitude of the sound. Let us try to solve one question based on the graph. Suppose there are two graphs given. Which is the graph between displacement and time. Two centimeter minus 2 centimeter. Suppose there is a graph or there is a sound wave where you can see the amplitude is 2 centimeter. Another sound wave which has an amplitude of 3 centimeter. Amplitude is 3 centimeter. See the height? This is the amplitude which is showing here 3 centimeter. Now this we consider as A and this is B. Now based on these two waves or these two amplitudes, you have to find out the ratio of loudness of sound wave A and sound wave B. So let us see. So we can write loudness of A divided by loudness of B, which is equal to square of amplitude of A. You can see the amplitude of A is 2 centimeter. So we can write square of amplitude of A divided by square of amplitude of B, which is 3 square. So we are getting 4 by 9, which means to say that the ratio is 4:9. So let us now come to the unit of loudness. Loudness can be expressed by the unit called decibel. In short, we write dB, decibel. Now, the minimum loudness of 1 kilohertz, that is minimum loudness of sound of frequency 1 kilohertz, is considered to have a loudness of 0 decibel. Similarly, with increase in the number of or the times of the loudness, the decibel will also increase accordingly. For example, if the increase in the multiple of 10, so if the loudness increases by 10 times, then the decibel of the loudness will be 10 decibel. If it becomes 100 times, then the loudness will be of 20 decibel. Similarly, if the loudness is increased by 1000 times, we call it to have 10 decibel, and so on. Now 0 decibel to 30 decibel of loudness of sound is considered to be a safe limit of hearing. Safe limit of hearing. Ten decibel to 30 decibel. It's not 0 to, it should be 0 to 80 decibel, sorry. Now 10 decibel to 30 decibel will produce soothing sensation. And the sound of loudness above 180 decibel, 120 decibel is considered to be very harmful for the ear, and permanent or continuous hearing of this sound of loudness above 120 decibel may cause headache or sometimes causes damage of the ear. We will now come to the second characteristics of sound, which is called pitch. And pitch is that characteristics of sound by which we can distinguish a flat sound by a shriller sound or from a shriller sound. That means it measures the shrillness of the sound. Shrillness of sound, and it depends on frequency of the sound. Frequency means vibration per second. Vibration per second. Let us try to draw the graph of two sounds having the same loudness, but because the pitch is different or because the frequency is different, we say the sound has got two different pitch. There is difference in the pitch of the sound. This is time in second and this is displacement. Now let me draw another wave where you can see the height remaining the same, that is the loudness is same. You can see the loudness is same, but because of the pitch being more, how is the pitch more? You can consider here in first 2 seconds you can see the number of wave is 1, but in the same 2 seconds the number of wave is, sorry, you can consider this is 1 and this is 2. So in the same 2 seconds you find the number of wave is 4. This is one wave, this is one wave, that is 2 total number of complete waves are there. So you can see in 2 seconds, in the first case the total number of wave is 1, but in this case in the same 2 seconds the total number of wave is 2. So this will have the sound of high pitch because of the number of waves, which is the vibration per second is more than in the case of the first one. So the total number of waves per second gives the pitch of the sound, whereas the amplitude or the height of the wave gives the loudness of the sound. So next day we will discuss more about the pitch and one more characteristics, that is quality of the sound. Thank you.